I would say, judge me again. Oh no. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for showing your tremendous response on a Barcelona video. I think that was the fastest video which got like so many views in a very short span of time. So thank you for that. And today I am going to cater the request from all my college friends, work friends who told me to make a video on what you carry in your bag. So yes, I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek what's in my bag, and let's get started. Are you excited? Because I am. Okay, the first thing first is going to be Zara glasses. Glasses are very important, guys. This is how it looks, and it has a 15 ultraviolet protection or whatsoever. But you know, I care a damn. As long as it looks good on me, I'm fine with it. So glasses are very important. And a quick tip for the girls: if you have no time for the damn eye makeup, just put on the glasses and put on the lipstick, and good to go. Second thing coming out of my bag is going to be the wallet. Boring stuff, but yeah, wallet wherein I carry a lot of my cards, cash, and something very special, which is Ganpati Bappa Moria. You know, my intention to keep it inside it, and also a Rudraksh. In case if my wallet gets stolen and a thief sees all that idols inside, maybe he will have a mercy on me and he will return my wallet. So I know I sound very stupid, but yeah, that's what I think. So this is a Charles & Keith wallet, pretty basic, and red is my favorite color, so it's in red color. I think also I heard somewhere that if you have a red color wallet, you get more money in it. I don't know how far it is true, but I'm very superstitious, so yes. The next thing comes out of my bag is a Inglot pouch. As I mentioned, I love all the blings. So what it has inside, I'm gonna show you. Guys, okay, so before I go ahead with this, I would just want to say that this is like my work bag, and also when I go out sometimes or I'm traveling, it's pretty helpful because I have got pretty unpredictable, nonsense and monster friends. So if I go out with them in the daytime, they make a plan for the night, and so you spend the whole span of day with them. So I don't want to look like a fool when I am in the day, and because I'm wearing something else, or makeup is something else, and then I'm going in the evening and everything is something else. So I want to look pretty presentable. So what I carry is, I carry a small pouch which has one dark lipstick, which is like basic maroon from Sephora, and one nude shade lipstick which is from Estee Lauder. What is the shade? 103. Okay, so two shades. So if I'm in a daytime, I keep the nude shade on, or if I'm in nighttime, I just change my lipstick, because if you put a darker lipstick, you look so prepped up. So I feel that's the perfect thing you can do. Thank God I have pretty clear skin, so I don't need to carry foundation and concealer. So I just carry the basic compact. It's a Fit Me compact, if you know it from the previous video. And one mascara, which is like a MAC mascara. It's a volume mascara. And that's it. Yeah, just like one highlighter. Don't judge me. It got broken because I mishandled it, and it just slipped out of my hand and I just broke it. So highlighter, I feel if you have a highlighter, you can look very fresh. How can I say, very refreshed all the time. You can use it on obviously on your cheeks, and then you don't have to carry a different palette for the eyeshadow. You just like take a ring finger and dap it on, put a mascara. You look so prepped up. For all the girls who think that who is watching them, let me tell you, everybody is watching you. So looking presentable and looking nice is very important, guys. Okay, the next thing coming out of my bag is pretty basic. This is a cold cough flu tablet, and because I have a tonsillitis, and so I have to carry this at any time. Due to the weather change, I don't feel good, so then I take this tablet, and it cures everything. So one tablet, it's like all in one tablet. Okay, I carry this mini notepad and also a pen. Why red pen? Because red is my favorite color. Notepad because since I've started making vlogs and everybody tells me that I'm a very creative person. So I carry this in my bag in case if I get any content ideas or if I want to organize my day. So usually what started to happening with me was that I used to forget what I'm thinking, and then I used to miss out on things because I have a limited work off. So I started jotting it down, and it's like a savior for me. So the notepad and a pen, very important for me. All right. Guys, are you going to judge me again? Uno. Uno is very important because me and my gang of friends, whenever we meet, the only thing we do after gossiping is we play Uno. And I feel it challenges your brain a bit because there are a lot of tactical strategies which you have to plot and plan. So yes, Uno. Okay. So this is a perfume which is a must-have. You can use any perfume, but I use Zara, which is Wonder Rose, and it is very long-lasting. It is pretty strong in the beginning, but it diffuses out. So yes, the perfume. Okay, guys. Now this is like a mini pouch, which is my essentials in the pouch. I'll quickly give you a sneak peek in it. So I carry a detangler, which comes out like this, and it helps you to comb your like hair. Yeah, pretty good. And then also it has a mirror, so it's like 2-in-1 and it's quite compact. So I carry this eye drop because half of the time in my life I'm not well slept. So if I have to be awake for the vlog shoot or for anything else, I use this eye drop. It is a refreshing eye drop, so you can get it from any pharmacy. Okay, you will think that how fatigued I am in my life. This is a face mist because sometimes I feel like I'm so sleepy, I'm drowsy, and I cannot be awake anymore. And the moment I spray it, it's in rose flavor. So I feel like all freshen up. Freshen up. Okay. Hand cream, pretty basic. It's from the Body Shop. And instead of lip balm, guys, I carry this multi-purpose pawpaw cream from Australia because it's very helpful. You can use it as a lip balm. If you get any scrapes or scratches or any uneven skin, you can just apply and it's a savior. So pawpaw cream, it's from Australia, but you only get it in Australia, nowhere else. So you can replace that with, it's like an Indian Boroline, like, you know. Is that a good example? Yeah, I think so. So, or you can carry lip balm, up to you. Sanitizer, pretty basic. Hey, that matches to my top. Anyways. Again, you all are going to judge me for the last 2 things I have in my pouch. Actually, last 3 things I have in my pouch. But before that, I'll show you what I have. This is nail cutter, nail clipper, what do you call it? Guys, I don't know why I've been getting like a lot of fragile nail because maybe I did an extension before, and that's why my nail quality. Actually, last 3 things I have in my pouch. But before that, I'll show you what I have. This is nail cutter, nail clipper, what do you call it? Guys, I don't know why I've been getting like a lot of fragile nail because maybe I did an extension before, and that's why my nail quality has been degraded massively. So every time I keep getting like chips and cuts, so it gets stuck in your thread and everything, so I have to cut it. So I always carry the nail clipper. Sewing kit, wardrobe malfunction, and also the safety pins. Very important क्योंकि हमेशा मेरे साथ कुछ ना कुछ कांड होता ही है. कुछ भी कह लो, कांड तो होना ही होना है. सो दैट गाइज, ओके, आई नो इट इज़ अ सीमेंट्स का डब्बा, बट इसके अंदर, guys, I'm sorry, but I'm very desi that way. You know what I carry? I carry इलायची. पूरी दुनिया घूम ली, बट ऐसा लगता है कि इलायची से बेटर माउथ फ्रेशनर इस दुनिया में है ही नहीं. So इलायची for me is a savior. Okay, and now the last thing coming, not the second last thing. Earplugs, pretty boring. I'm not a music person, so I don't carry headphones and all that jazz. I rather dance than sing and listen to music. This pouch, pretty basic pouch. Some hygiene scented pads for your liners. Very important, rubber band, because I cannot keep my hair open for a long time. So especially when I'm traveling or I'm in the car, I just tie like a high pony. Okay, as I mentioned that my friends are pretty unorganized in their life and I have to cope up with them. So I carry this small dabba. So let's say if I'm going out in a day, so I'm wearing very basic stuff because you don't want to look loud in a daytime. So I carry some pieces of jewelry in it, like sorry, it's all just a second. So I carry like this thing, hoop earrings, one color pop earring like this, one star earring, yeah, and a brooch. Guys, I'm a big brooch person. So in case if my friends, they make a plan, like if I've gone out in a day with them and I don't get a chance to come back home and I have to head for a party, then I just change my jewelries and darken my lipstick and just comb my hair, and I think I look fresh and good to go. It's very important to look good all the time, girls, so please carry your essentials all the time, and I hope my video has helped you a bit to pretty organize your life. So I would say Sunny, yes, my fiance, I think he's pretty entertaining, and even if I'm deserted on an island or something and if I have him in my bag, it's gonna be pretty good and you will be entertained throughout. You don't need any sort of phone or anything else. Second person would be Ritik. I think, yeah, he is my partner in crime. He's my brother, he's my family, so I feel I can share anything with him, any gossips, and I cannot live without gossips and blabbering around. So he has patience to listen to all this, and also he shares the information, mind you. Third person would be my sister, because when all this is happening, I need somebody to listen to this shit, right? So yeah, so she's a very good observer and I cannot live without her. So I need to carry my sister in that island. I will find somebody to play Uno with me. It's okay. So I'll take Uno, and when I'm deserted, I don't want to feel sick. So this Nyal day, night, cough, cold, flu tablets. Am I sounding like retarded because nobody will say these answers? What else? I think I'm good to go with these two. I don't need to carry anything else. I can live without anything else, but not without you all, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on IGTV, which is One Stop page. Guys, please promote the video, love it, like it, share it with your friends, and thank you for watching us.